You know that's Chinese mooncake that we use at the Mid-Autumn Festival, usually in September time. So I'd like to show you a Western version or maybe Teresa's version of how to make mooncake. The first thing lotus seed paste, or you can have red bean paste. They have been sweetened. Use pancake, gluten-free, you know.
What is Qigong? Qigong was developed in China thousands of years ago as part of a traditional Chinese medicine. It involves using exercises to optimize energy within the body, mind, and spirit, with the goal of improving and maintaining health and well-being. Studies have found that Qigong could reduce symptoms of depression. In this study, those who practiced Qigong also experienced less anxiety and better moods as compared to those who didn't. Qigong was also shown to have positive effects on bone and cardiovascular health and improved balance. It has also been proven to help with all menopause symptoms. Imagine a way to heal your inner body naturally, a way to heal deep-rooted issues. Imagine being able to build your life force and find inner peace. What if you could improve your blood circulation, clear disruptive energies, and improve your digestive system? What if you could improve yourself, increase your longevity, have a natural way to solve menopause, and even your eyesight? Well, now you can. Master Teresa Yeung has been a teacher of Qigong, which is a part of traditional Chinese medicine. She is a 3-time international best-selling author, trainer, and practitioner. She has been featured in news, television, and internet around the world, and now she is here to help you tap into the power of Qigong. For more information, log on to www.purelandqigong.com.
So if you like what I do, check my link, and I look forward to see you in other things we do. Check out the link below.